Today I'm going to show you how to make this multi-layer stencil effect using Canva. Go to Canva and after opening new Canva project, go to uploads and after uploading your image, let's drag it to the design, adjust the size and remove the background and go to apps and type tracer. Let's choose this app. Keep black and white and click trace image. Let's make a big number here. Let's make 180. Just wait for a while and click add to design. Decrease the size to 140. Let's adjust the first one to fit the page and let's make yellow color and add the second one. Adjust the size as well and let's make red color. And the last one, let's make 80 and click add to design. Adjust the size and let's make dark blue color. And the final step, let's go to layers, show layers, and let's delete the original image. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.